Terjaman Par is an educational film released in 2007 directed by Amir Khan and it has won numerous awards. The film reflects real-life situations where children with learning difficulties are often ridiculed and judged as lazy or naughty simply because they struggle to understand or process the lesson taught in class. Isan, the main character in the film, experiences this wisdom. The result from his surroundings change his personality, making him more withdrawn. Slowly, he begins to regain his joy through the encouragement of a new teacher and support from his friend.
The film tells the story of a primary school boy named Isan Kishore Awasthi, who is around 8 or 9 years old and faces learning difficulties. As a result, he scores poorly in school and is frequently scolded by his teacher for what they perceive as academic incompetence. He also often gets into fights with other children who marks him Isan is very different from other kids, including his high-achieving brother. However, his parents fail to recognize that Isan struggles with reading and writing due to a condition known as dyslexia. Instead of understanding his condition, they continue to pressure him to study harder and keep up in class. Over time, even his teacher lost patience and complained to his parents about his lack of progress. In response, his parents decide to transfer him to a boarding school, hoping for a change. Isan resists and is deeply saddened by this decision, but his parents stand firm.
At the boarding school, things do not improve for Isan. In fact, he feels even more pressure and depression. As the teacher treats him no differently from those at his previous school. There are now a teacher named Ram Shankar Ningrum Arif. From the beginning, his so and quainty teaching style that extends most of the student ex Isan, who remains withdrawn and undistracted. Current about Isan's behavior, Ram began to ask his classmates about him and eventually influenced Isan, not book. Upon doing so realizing that Isan is struggling with dyslexia, which is why he lags behind in his studies.
Ram visits Isan's parents to explain that Isan is not lazy, naughty, or intelligent, but that he simply has a learning disability. This explanation helps the parents understand their son's condition better. While visiting their home, Ram also discovered some of Isan's amazing artworks, showcasing his extraordinary imagination and talent. Realizing Isan's hidden potential, Ram becomes determined to help Isan regain his confidence and happiness. With the school principal permission, Ram began working with Isan, teaching him how to write, and code in a more supportive and creative way.
Gradually, Isan began to improve what he couldn't do before. He now starts mastering with the help of Ram's guidance. Eventually, Isan became a confident, capable student. To showcase the student's talent, Ram organized an art competition open to both students and teachers. During the event, everyone amazed by Isan's artistic abilities, finally recognizing his unique talent. Here's the character analysis from the characters of the movies. The first one is Ram Shankar Nikum. He is a kind-hearted, gentle, loves children, highly apathetic, and responsible. These traits are directly observable throughout the film. Tall, well-built, with mohawk hairstyle. Second one, we have Isan Awasthi, which is the main protagonist in this movie. He suffered from dyslexia, intelligent and talented in painting, kind to friends and cheerful. All these traits are darkly visible throughout the film. The third one, we have Maya Awasthi, which is Ishan's mom. She is a good housewife, a good mom, devoted to her family and obedient to her husband. And next we have Nankishore Awasthi. He is Ishan's father. He is harsh, firm, highly competitive, and unwilling to accept others' opinions. These traits are apparent in the movie. And the last one, Johan Awasthi, which is Ishan's brother, and he is obedient, smart, kind, and loving toward his family. He just like his mother, and he loves Ishan very much. All these traits are clearly visible in the movies.